Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple pickle made out of green chilies. The green chilies that I'm using today is not very spicy. As you can see, they're light green and they were a little bigger in size. What I did first was chop them into bite-sized pieces. You can cut them as big as you want. I've cut them about an inch or so. Alright, so once you've cut all your green chilies, the next step is to dry roast your spices. I've taken 2.5 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2.5 teaspoons of fennel seed, 2.5 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, and 2.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds in my bowl. And I've taken about 1 kilo of green chilies. So what I've done now is I've taken a wok and I've heated it in my gas. I'm just going to add these spices together and dry roast it. I'm not going to change the color of or make it brown. I'm just ensuring that my spices or the seeds that I've used in my spice blend is nice and dry and there is no moisture at all, and the seeds, they become crunchy. That is what that is expected, not using it to brown it or color it. Just about for a minute or so, you're just going to be dry roasting them so that they come crunchy and all the moisture from the seeds disappears. Alright, I've gone ahead and transferred the spice to my grinder. I'm going to coarsely grind this just for 30 seconds. I'm going to put this inside and grind it coarsely. That's it. See? Can you see how it has to be this texture? Not very fine. Have a look at the spice. It's not fine grinded. It's coarsely grinded. Now let's begin preparing the pickle. First, I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of salt. If you see, the salt quantity is a little more because they're going to be pickled, and adding more salt increases the shelf life of the pickle. Okay, so I've gone ahead and added that salt. After the salt, next thing I'm going to add is asafoetida. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of asafoetida and the spice blend that I just prepared. Okay, and also going to add 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. I'm going to give all of these spices a nice mix with the chilies and get back to you. I've mixed all the spices now. The next I'm going to add is 1 cup of mustard oil. That's about 250 ml. If you see I am using raw mustard oil and not cooking the mustard oil, is because adding raw mustard oil to the green chili pickle tastes much better than cooking the mustard oil. The last ingredient that I'm going to add is again 1 cup of vinegar. So salt and vinegar are the two ingredients that will help you, and the oil that will help you increase the shelf life of this pickle. My pickle is now ready. If you like this recipe, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to like the video and share it, and ensure that you also click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I post. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this pickle. This pickle can be eaten after 2 days. What you do now is store them in jars, and if you like, you can refrigerate it, or you can leave it outside as well. The shelf life for this would be about 3 weeks in the refrigerator. It's best to keep it in the refrigerator. It could be 3 weeks or even more. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and see you next time. Increase your shelf life of the pickle. Once you add them to the jar, what you can do is add more mustard oil to fill up the brim of the jars so that no fungus comes on these pickles and they last a little longer. So once I've added my pickle to the jar, what I did was added more mustard oil so that my oil covers up all the pickle and comes up to the brim of the jars.